Have you ever come to the end of your day feeling completely drained, like you've fought every battle and have nothing left to give? I've been there too. Hi, I'm Pat Heydlauff, your Renaissance woman, here to guide you to your divine connection so that you can live a life filled with hope, peace, and joy. Just recently, I sat in reflection after several very long days. My energy was gone, my mind was scattered, and then out of the blue, I heard this gentle of a whisper within. Don't be weary, be grateful. And just like that, something shifted inside of me. That simple phrase stayed with me. It helped me see that weariness, whether it's from big trials or everyday frustrations, is often a sign that we're pouring ourselves out without remembering to put back in. But gratitude is the soul's way of breathing. It's simple, but life-changing. That simple phrase reminded me of something important. Sometimes our weariness comes from the outside, those external disturbances that press in on us, like when somebody cuts you off in traffic or a loved one falls ill. And other times, the heaviness comes from within, whether we allow our negative thoughts to go through a negative loop endlessly or let it drain us from the inside out is a problem. The external moments may feel small, like an annoyance, or big, like an emotional wave, such as the child who gets hurt, the partner who's in a nursing home. But even in those moments, if you pause, you might find something to be grateful for. The child who's healing, the wonderful years of love you've shared. And the internal kind, the kind that we do to ourselves, that is the mental chatter, that self-doubt, the comparisons, the judgment. But here's the truth. Gratitude is the soul's gentle answer to both. We experience all kinds. We experience together both kinds. This is how we move from exhaustion to expansion. This is how we make space for hope, peace, and joy to return. Gratitude doesn't ignore the hard things. It simply shifts your focus, the blessings that are still present. And when you begin to notice them, peace follows. Whether it is the small things, someone cutting you off in traffic, or the heavy things, a child getting hurt at school or a loved one in decline, we all have a choice. We can carry the burden, or we can choose to be grateful in the moment, such as gratitude for the child who is okay, gratitude for the years spent with someone you love, gratitude for life, breath, for the warmth of a cup of tea or a roof over your head. Even when your energy fades, gratitude becomes that quiet strength that builds us back up. It is not just a good idea, it's transformational. So today, I invite you to try this simple mantra. I'm not weary, I'm grateful. Or say with a smile, I have a gratitude attitude. It may sound simple, but those words can reshape your energy, your day, even your life. They've definitely changed mine. If this message resonates with your heart, I invite you to visit PatHeydlauff.com. You'll find spiritual guidance sessions, powerful resources like my book, Looking Within, Discover 7 Principles Leading to Hope, Peace, and Joy, and my free newsletter, Passion, Purpose, and Possibilities. Please like and share this message with someone you care about. We all deserve to live with a little less weariness and with a whole lot more gratitude. Until next time, I lead you with light and love for today and for a brighter, more joy-filled tomorrow.